Hey guys, this is the iPad 4 bypass for using the Apple Tech Sliver method. I never could get this to work, and I just realized why. It says here you have to immediately enter DFU once the restore is complete. And I didn't read that, and every time I would do the bypass, it would just get stuck on the Apple logo. Also, I was restoring the iPad from a Windows computer and then moving it to the Mac. So what I did here is I just restored it with the Mac. As soon as it said it was done, I entered DFU and went ahead and used the normal Sliver method, and now it's going to work. There you go. So months later, all I had to do is just read the instructions properly, and now it works. So this also applies to the iPhone 5, which I couldn't get to work either. So if you're having trouble, use the Apple Tech website for troubleshooting, and you'll see that it does in fact work. And I'll show you, this is iPad here. Alright, I hope that helps.